Hey everyone, my name is Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating a watermelon eye look. I don't know if this is going to go well, but if it does go well, amazing. I can post it on my Instagram. If it doesn't, we're just going to make it into a fill video because that's all I have left for my life. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Okay, so to start off this look, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm going to do that off camera actually, and then I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so to do my brows, I used the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown, and then to carve them out, I used the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. So now we're going to go ahead and get into the colors, but we're going to go ahead and do the rind on the watermelon, which is the green part. So I'm going to first dive into the Morphe 35B palette that they do not sell anymore, and I am so sorry to you guys who don't have it, but I think they have a different color palette. And I'm going to go into this matte light green shade. It's like a lime, and I'm going to use a blending crease brush to lightly use it as my transition shade. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to lightly use the brush to carve out where I want this light lime green transition shade to go, and then I will use more pressure and use more pigment to blend it out, and I'm also going to flick it out over here. Keep packing on that lime green shade till you have a pigment that you're happy with and that is suitable for a rind. Now that I have this lime green shade out the way I want it to, I'm going to be taking a darker green shade. I might mix this one down here and this one up here, and I'm going to be putting that in my crease, almost to where you're going to cut the crease. And it's okay if you get a little messy in this part of the routine, because you're just going to cut it, so it's going to be okay. You can go ahead and blend those two colors into the lime green shade, so there's not too much lime green because there isn't really that much lime green in a watermelon. We're looking at the watermelon slice. Once you have all of your colors satisfied to where you want them to be, we're going to go ahead and cut the crease with any concealer. I'm going to just be using the Tarte Shape Tape again. And you're going to want to, if you did the flick, that's cool too. I'm probably more than likely just going to makeup wipe that so it's not there, because since we're looking at a slice, I just want it to cover the whole lid. So I'm going to cut the whole lid, and I'll use a makeup wipe to clean that up later. Now that we have this shape kind of cut out, a little bit of a flatter brush and using the red shade from the Morphe palette along with this mango-y peachy shade. So those two shades actually ended up being a perfect combination for the perfect red pinky shade for a watermelon slice. Since I've already done this eye, I'm going to go ahead and cut this crease and put in the shade, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this watermelon eye may not look the best, but no watermelon ever looks that good, right? Right. Did anyone else get that? Because I love how my electricity is supposed to go out all the time. Okay, so I just used a makeup wipe to clean that up. Now comes the hard part. I'm not ready for this. Let's do this a smart way. Let's use a black pencil eyeliner. Let's just draw some dots. Yeah, that didn't work one bit. Okay, the seeds are like real bad. I think I totally messed it up when I started putting those seeds on there, but what else can you do? Alright. Don't want to mess with these anymore. We're going to put some lashes on. Doing these ones because they do not have a black band, and since I'm not wearing black eyeliner, I feel like this might work out. I suck at putting eyelashes on. Please do not come after me. Oh, this look was going somewhere and then it went nowhere. Right. Let's just forget that ever happened. That was an actual fail. Okay, I'm sorry. I was going to try this. I was going to try and make this look work. It did for a second. No. The pinks and the reds and the Morphe palette stain my eyelids so bad. Life is amazing. It is what it should be. Okay, you know, I'm done. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like. Leave a comment down below telling me what you guys want to see next, or telling me something nice to boost my self-esteem. And please subscribe to my channel, because if you guys want to see more videos like this, then that'll be a good opportunity for you to do that. My eyes are watering. Probably because of the pain. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all later.